Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. Second Sudoku in this additional, not of today's newspaper, but in the yesterday's newspaper. Yes, yesterday's newspaper, Thursday, August the 26th, because today, on Friday, yes, Friday, August the 27th, 2021, we have no extra Sudokus, no additional, so I've decided to continue with the yesterday's newspaper. We have 4 Sudokus left in the yesterday's newspaper. The 1 star, the 2 stars Sudoku, 1 binary and 1 tectonic. So 4 extra Sudokus in the yesterday's newspaper. So practice starts. Yes, practice starts. And this will be the 2 stars, number 3307. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. And for a 2 star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Let me start with the 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing number is a 9. We see a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in the middle row should be there. Alright. Then what are those missing numbers in the middle row? The 1 is missing, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 1, 4, and the 5 is missing, 1, 4, 5. Yeah, 1, 4, 5. We see here 4 and a 5 in the last column. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. The 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the middle row for the number 1. Alright. Alright. Then let me see. 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay. How about 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 must be in one of those 3 boxes, the 4. So we have a 4 in one of those 3 boxes in the third row, 4 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for the 6 should be there. Yeah. Then how about these 2 numbers in this column? The 1 is missing, 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 here in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. Alright. So, how about 152? Yeah. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then 9, yes. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 9. 1, 6, 7. Okay. How about these 3 missing numbers in the third column? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, and look, we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. Here, so a 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. The 1 and the 2 are left. 1 and a 2 in the third column. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. 3 in this first column. 3 in the third column. So in the column between the second column. The only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Okay. Now I cannot continue with the 3. How about 159? No, 152. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row, the second row. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and an 8. 7 and an 8, we see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and 7 goes there. 7 in this column, first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 2. Alright, and no, 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Now I can count, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers. Wait. We have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 1. We have a 6 and a 1 in the first column, so no 6 and a 1 in these two boxes. The 6 and the 1 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8. 5 and 8, we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. All right. All right. Then, let me see. How about 8, 3, and 4. 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of those missing numbers in the third in this row are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 5, 9, and 6. Yes, 6, 5, 9, 6, 5, 9. And look, we have a 6 here, so no 6 there. Here also 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 5. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. Yes, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers. Wait. 2 and yeah, 2 numbers left in this row. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and the 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and the 8, we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Again in 30 minutes. Is this really a 2 stars? No. I think this is rather a 1 star, because I'm faster than 50 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later on with the third puzzle. I think it will be a binary puzzle. So see you later. Bye bye for now.